Hello students, this is my third video about static electricity. Now I'm going to discuss when we rub any two objects. So electrons will transfer from one object to another. Now I'm going to discuss this concept with experiments. Now experiment 1, we will take a perspex rod and a cloth. Initially perspex rod is neutralized and cloth is also neutralized. What is means of neutralized? Neutralized means if we take perspex rod, so it will have same number of electrons and protons, as you can see in the figure. In figure shows 5 positive and 5 negative. It means electrons and protons have same number, so it is called neutralized. If we see a cloth, so in cloth 6 plus and 6 negative. So electrons and protons both have same numbers. So before rubbing, we can see these two objects are neutralized. When we rub, as you can see, as when we rub, so what will happen that electrons from perspex rod will shift in the cloth. So you can see perspex rod have maximum number of protons. All maximum electrons will shift from perspex rod to cloth. So we can simply say perspex rod have excess of positive charges. Excess of positive charges. So after rubbing, excess of due to excess of positive charges, perspex rod become positive becomes positive. So we can say perspex rod is positively charged. So this is the method by which after rubbing, electrons will shift from one object to another. In this case, if we observe the kinetic theory of electrons, why electrons will shift from perspex rod to cloth. So you can see in different objects, different electrons have different kinetic energy level. So in perspex rod, kinetic energy level is too high as compared to cloth. So when you rub perspex rod with cloth, so kinetic energy from the perspex rod will boost electrons. So whole perspex rod kinetic energy of the atoms in outermost orbit will be very high. So when we provide kinetic energy to electrons, they will jump out. So perspex rod becomes positive charge and electrons will shift from perspex rod to cloth. So this is a method by which we can observe shifting of electrons. Thank you very much.